is the Sunday morning. Okay, I want to read for you about the Bible a little bit, and okay, Rehoboam, king of Judah. Rehoboam is the Solomon's son. We know about that, but Rehoboam is making. Okay, he became king. Okay, he takes the advices from the the only young people. Okay, only young people. Little kura progressukumota la not in yaini takora la no so yeraba no so yerabane I guess so pala yudam no. Little kura on aware pagate mana tama asa no. No penny no. Pagrupasu pata did palo over a poo, leta a punino over sicko penny long. Penny pekle pa bakala no so yeraba aware no aware a case so pa agiclo no away ni mina no Rehoboam son of Solomon was king in Judah. He was 41 years old when he became king, and he reigned 17 years in Jerusalem. No, when he began the city, no, the Lord has chosen out of all the tribes of Israel in which to put his name. His mother name was Naamah. She was an Ammonite. No, putting up a thing, no, Penny, Bekele qua tamata, the palace, sector cane, David, no Sosolomo Puquaso, Yeraba, Gesopa, Le, no Juda Apulo, a work Gesopa, Juda Apu, Le, Soyaba, Gesopane, a Tapua, Pagdeta Mana, no, a Tapuati, Penny, a Tapua, Louis Sidney, no, a Tapuan, Louis Sidney, no. Pero Gesopa, the sea, Nuini Le. Jerusalem no with atau Luisi teni no ataupun Luisi teni no do ake sopala no Jerusalem ni tesi do nuini no tesi nuini ake sopa phani no do phai do pati nya la no we le Yahuta le Isreal adukele no Yahuta wa Isreal adukele no akla di tu akapa mi phani lo do amo mine me nona ma pamu no pamu apukwani pane kebra soslomo pukwa no litano kudara ne soslomo ne mara pamu pane daga litano kudara apukwa kaine keki we sopala soslomo no alaki no do pedo batinya la so yuda pane pale kwalo no kisi no, Judah did evil in the eyes of the Lord, but the sin they commit the series of his jealous angels more, than their father has done. Judah ne awe mata eta solo kasajwa amebu no ame no mata ta solo kasajwa ame khujaro ne no phaini do thuge jwa ta kile atade bala amma wele apa de phamma ti wele apha khune no no apa ma apa phamma ti we le khune ma no ke do pekle kwa le tafi ma ti de phani awe le ti le no they also set up of them no stone and Isreal poured on every high hill and under every spreading tree no awani awe mawa dine to no pagade ma sikolo taki ti pha ine awe mawa dine mo no awe ti pha ne ma sikko we a lot thot pha do ta ho no do pha ne do ko ra la Asra le ta sukut ho kele lu do le ti kese kele pola lo the thing said color upon when my way attacked us so phenomenal. Pero there was even male servants, prostitutes in the land. The people engaged in all the detestable practice of the nation the Lord has driven out before the Israelites. When he began to let us think upon his sick on a dopa epic pool always Usiko well tio go a poo do mawe deep Kaye taba pa Bacado Pagalu the pala your hotoku or le but Isreal put a mania atoni no when mawe that part no. In the 50 years of King Rehoboam's Sehak king of Egypt attacked Jerusalem. When it began mala away pa Egypt pony aware hair Todawada we Jerusalem painted but Tinya Sikolo away me Tamata Sikolo painting Dota Matana so paraya so parai Haba Anipueto Ye need the nini get equity so pa Shisha head Toda Jerusalem or when it's Sisam Go to which so pa Sisan has Towada had Toda Jerusalem. He carried off the treasures of the temple of the Lord and the treasure of the royal palace. He took everything, including all the gold, seals Solomon has made. When he never taputali kilakasila, paragane, so paracabata, but did katot tula a law, do pretend my pay, Do hotoke you are he atalu do pidu, do sopa he atalu do pidu, do so talk we were killer, do so talk we ye, kato tulu so slomo mawa killer, no kato tulu so slomo mawa killer cassine. I was so talk we killer, no away name. He carried off the treasures, no panepathinia sikono, no pain it devil so King Rehoboam made bronze seal to replace them and ascended these to the commander of the guard on duty as entrant to the royal palace. Not on him. Soba parahaba tikato dula a lord or he law or le paperdapo a court supu a court supu le a sopa he a trilo awani. Sopa barane pagkatera mahane pero tevera sikolo minutumile do whatever the king went to the Lord temple the guards buried the seal and afterward they returned then to the garden panama garden panero pagkatera mala awete mara minutumile do to sopa lenelo jwa hipu do Panita Mathala, Pua Perta Pu, Suedo or, Pagtenama, Hekisu or Su, Pua Perta Pu, Adepulo, Dota, Panino Pagtenama, Panino Pagatina Sikolo Minutimile. As for the other events of, Rehoboam range and all he did, are they not written in the Bible of the annual of the king of Judah? When he began Bacalo sopa, Rehoboam aware, Pura away Marado, Taquethale, Pagtan Mala, Judah Libunum, when he meet out sopa, Judah Libumano, the new Matani Tapita Manino, there was continued warfare between Rehoboam and the Jeroboam, and Pagtan Mala Panino. Away lady that dollar tapita mathi the parlor Bugdemala Jehoboam Bugdema Rehoboam Jeroboam Rehoboam tapita money pay do ta ulote bakado so ra Habado, no Kayeta le Amawene Quetala, Juda Sopa Aliquanota Putameba, Dota Tadu thu Uella, so no Yer Habado, so Yara Ba Bussa, not the Suda Olo, or what they Kiani, not the Suda Olo, no, when it Tamata, no. No paid off a qualer, no, it's a citerne, Teva Parliament to me, no, pain it, no. There was no paid off the citerne, and Rehoboam no, rested with his father and was buried with them in the city of David. His mother name was no Naama. She was an no Ammonist, and Abijah his sons said no Abijah his sons said him as king. No panine Abijah ni kirogaki sopa no Abijah ni kirogi sopa panilo. Ke pemi ero le palo Abijah kiro sopa age kloni. Pagitete mala paka pawa te sepo panima no. Letano kura pe ero ma patu wera patai taklu paya do pe ero le sedia ni paka kwa te sepo no. Panero Abijah ni ke sopa ke pekele kwa le Abijah ni ke sopa no. Abijah keno Juda pani pekele kwa siko no patao mu no pay do pekele mala bwa kwara ori khujaro pekele leda no. Pay do pekele kwa pay no in the 18 years of reign of Jeroboam son of Nebat, Abijah became king of Judah. No, awani pekele mala tapusa gugia tabakala so naba pukwa so pa yaraba ani pwe thowera the sequence ni so Abijah ke tho so pa le Juda phoko ne lo so Abijah ni ke do so pa le Juda phoko no mo ga bate wuli no phe ni no Rehoboam thibi a lot ki do no phe ni so pa Abijah no ke do ba so pa no la pakale kwaro khasinyane and he reigned in Jerusalem 3 years. Now awe pora Jerusalem ne 30. His mother name was Maacah, daughter of Abisalo. Now pane amo mini kora le Maacah. Pane pakale kwa no ke sopa 30 no Jerusalem budo amo mi no Maacah do pagdama so Baasalo apumune so Baasalo ne me pala no athoda weda so solu no patinya so Baasalo siko yisiko mone pagda amag o siko no pane patinya la no so Baasalo ne me pala athoda ki pa ma no patinya pane no pane pagte mano he committed all the sin his father has done before him. His heart was not fully devoted to the Lord his God, as the heart of David his first father has been. When he made out no, away ni pagdena do away later apa ta de bala amma wele amenya kele puno apa Rehoboam ni no away ni ta de bala pu do asa no te le te pwe ba do yuadi paso dawi asa atu ni ba no pa asa ni te le pu no paso dawi asa atu ba le ta no ko da pa krasukumu da le ta gi ti ta phai le pata mu pu siko no nevertheless of David, for David said the Lord his God gave him a lamb in the Jerusalem by raising up a son of him and by making Jerusalem strong. Penino pagiteno mala koplu pay ni tebra le no basa do le sopa no David akuni yua akasahi lo le mi u no da me ude te plele Jerusalem pu ditu akapalo no ditu akapalo apukwala alo kine do magle Jerusalem ni lo awani me ra le kasaywa ta lo oro sopa dawi khuta no sopa dawi ni po kasaywa ki khuta ro we lewe dinima no David is the follow God, okay, and then faithful to God. This means that the God keeping his son, no, reigns the Jerusalem. No, let us look at Pathinya Sikolitagi when, no. Agiri so that we mata a lula jua menyado, the Hakwiba Athala, Tamalu, or not me suda or no, Hakwi Athatela, Tabakaro, Puahitapu, so Uriya, the Mulo, and the Pahita was so Uriya name. Akera Amathivera here, but a mamma, no, Hini, a ma, little Hudaro, Pathinya attack a money, Ted Canelo, Davida Penimono, attack a maura, Ted Canelo, no, little Hudaro Peklequa, for David has done wise war right in the eye of the Lord and has not failed to keep any of the Lord command all the day of his life, no, when it began, no. Except the case, not the case of Uriah the Hittite. Penipathinyala away makamara darkan no. Uriah the Hittite darkan no away makamawa. Let them put out on a Pekalequano Kunitera. There was war between Rehoboam and the Jeroboam, not throughout Abijah's blood time, not with them a lifetime. No, Panero Pagatiana, a boyaro, Jehovia, a wedding a bussene, Takiro Dala, Tobwood Bucola, a detapitama, or Taletaki Punilon. Penny Pagalequa Sicola, daughter de Penny, no, Pathinyala, no, Penny daughter de Uwella, Sora Bado, so Ya Rabba, a busser to Suda or no, Pathinya Sico Penny, no. Uwe penny the color no, no, but penny no, Korana. As for the other events of Abijah range in and all the deeds, or he did, are they not written in the book of the annual of Denmala, no? Penny Bethinyala annual of the king of Juda, penny no, le by sopa, Juda alipumano, Denmala penny. Takweta sikola tamata no ta penny ta ulote no penny do ta ulote ba khado so biha do kayeta la amaweni kweta la Juda sopa ali pagdeno ali kwenota pu temeba do ta ditu uwela so biha do so no yaraba abasanelo aweni no ta ditu uwe no. There was war between Abijah and Jeroboam. No, when he meet already no. And Abijah rested with his father and was born in the city of David. And Asa his son set him a king. No, when he began Asa his son set no, serve his king. Let on corner. But think y'all away name it to me, no, penny so a beer, miwe do a parapado, paculoqui, or so da we a whippu, do a pukwa so a sa keto so pala, a lonilo. Get pukwa so a sa, pekelequanos, a sa kino Juda, penny pekelequala, so a sa ne gave so pala Judabu, gave pekelequat sepo pain, no? Penny Beglequa so asana case of Palajidapuna. In the 20 years of Jeroboam, king of Bidama Israel, Penny Jeroboam and our Perala Israel, not any kissy 20th, no, when a Bigdamana. Penny Beglequa paid sepo, no, do Israel sopa, so Yaraba, and Nipwe Tor, a kissy, no, 20th, let her not so Asake so Pala, no Juda. A poco no, penny so as I guess of our Yuda poco, no. But the demon tama that they pass sick on it away, lay that sort of somer, no. No, but it my Casunyani away lay at the minute mille, no. And he raised in Jerusalem 41 years, no, away, but all Jerusalem, Louis Ciro Teni, no. His grandmother name was Mahaka. No, Panera daughter of Abisalo. Panera Pagdeno Mala, no, Abisalo, a pumu, mana, per coordinate, no, Abisalo, pumu, no. do pay do bacteria do a case of pala Jerusalem pune Lucy tani do amo amime no maka so abazalo apumulo so abazalo apumuno awane bethinya sikola tama athamona litane hutaro pay do bagale kwalo kasunya de toni David declared, "No, Asa did what was right in the eye of the Lord." No, awane pagkita mo Asa ne amata ma, no amata magile kasayo ame, no kasayo ame. As his father David has done, no pagkita mo la awan mawa dito apa mawe atu, no. No, he's expelled the males, sameness, no prostitutes from the land and got rid of all the idols his father has made. No, awak jada mala apa ma pa wera ta khelekasi pagiten ma no apa ma khelekasi ne wat thuda gu wera ta ko ta photi pha no pakale kwa phei ni ko ra so asa ma ta le no alu le ywa ame di apa so da we atu ni lo no do ma ha go kwi pa aku pa epake pu le ko pu ni do tu kwi ta go le apa ti we khele lo no awane apa ti we pa khele ni awe ma ha go ku we khele phe ni no pakite de ma no pai do no do pakale kwa ge le no yi de sister ni te wada di le no pai do he even disposed his grandmother no Mahaka from her position as a queen mother because she had made a repudious as Isreal police. Now Asa cut the police down and burned in the king. Now pagkitan mala Kadro valleys. Now awan Kadro valley ne awan mahawa kuwe kalakasi siko penilo. Payne no do tukwe amon no makada no maka dale le no pamu alo le ati no asara ago atuni lo do so asa mahago kwe atago do suto kwe ole no tiklo no kidro no ani no awane no so asa ne pene pemete kile aweki gida kile apalo no asa is the please in the eye of God. This means okay asa doing the right thing just like his father David too no pagten mala David too let no go ra patinya sikolo tati ta phai le tamata sikolo no pagale kwa le kasunya tatoni tebele minuti mile pay no no Penny of the oath, he did not remove the highest place Asher, nor her was fully committed to the Lord all his life, when it began mala, the silly daughter a lot of taught the pani, the bat, Tatukwi, Baasha, Asa, Atao, where Doppler Nyado. You are the Suda olo, no, awani, no, let us go down so as an ata ulo you are, no, ata ul you are doppler yamano, and later you are athamano. He brought into the temple of the Lord the silver and gold and article that he and his father has dedicated. His father has dedicated, no, but thing as so akamata daughter lot, no. Do pay do heso tala apa mabu we do tala amabu no akasada we the pass sujwa hipu close you to low do ata akhulo no akhulo leta no khura no patinya sikolo so akamada we ni mitala akrewe ba we le yua amenya sikolo no away do pakle kwa le no pakiten mala tsia ni teba pwadi le no to see it, no, we're gonna be party to see no, no, penny no, the Sikune Deva body. There was war between Asa and no Baasha, king of Israel, not throughout their range. When they meet out of that bus anywhere, or the Taditaya, no, Taditaya Sikolo, no. No, but they are sikolo tamata, theta sikolo, theta pi sikolo. Penny paglequa learn no, dota do to uwell so a shar do, no Isreal a sopa, no Baasha to Suda olo, no pagate money, but what they do whatever kiduni, no Kevera ta uta love umu or love down no. Do pagale qua sicola paini, no pagale qua sicola, no to sinuini teva poala minutimile, no to sinuini teva poala minutimile, ne pagale qua, no. When a Baasha king of Israel went up against Judah and 45 Ramas to prevent anyone from leaving or entering the territories of Asa king of Judah. When they began mala, when they were sick or started party, learn minuti the party, do penny Isreal so pa, no, Pagana Basani, let Tora Judah, doti Rama, di to Akatro Pale, Tot do, Henela Judah sopa, Asa Aulo, no, penny away, Mara dini etulo, no. Do pay do Paglequa, Asaph then took off the silver and gold. That's what left in the treasuries of the Lord, temple and of his own, palace. He's entrusted instructed it to his officer and sent them to Behander, son of Tabramo, the son of Hezron, the king of Aram, who was ruling in Damascus. Lana dakana a wepera le Damascus kubuno. Pathinya le omu le patamupu, palera, pakira, do pasukamuda le tati the pine, mita manu the panelo, do so asani hine close you to a low mano. When he need too close to a low, le o lotte le joa hipu, a papu a law do, le sopa hipu, a papu law do, he law or le a kia possible do, sopa asa, his you or less, no su suri sopa, no, bihada, sota, brimo a pukwa, so hisu a pukwa, le o wesuela, damesi a poo. No, always well damasi punilo, no. Pacropatu pata la patamupu, la patinia sicolo, no. So to twe, no, so to twe. Okay. We reading about the Bible and the share gospel, and then you want to hear that you can stay. You don't want to hear that you can leave. Whatever. This is the wisdom of the whole world. We understand about this, okay? Little no kutaro, no, patinya sicolo, panapa sicolo, tati the pane sicolo, no? But bakala no is siquini, tevela manutimile, no? Payni, no? No, it is siqui, bakalequa or luminitimi sicole, no? Let there be a treaty between me and you, he said, as there was between my father and your father's seed. I am sending you a gift of silver and gold. Now break your treaty with Baasha king of Israel, so he will withdraw from me. Now, what did I awake Ulo woman? Little good of pain it ta olo uwe, do siwera taolo uwe do yadona. Do yapa do napalo kwa ye hi na le kupa close you to low no close you to low no to low head do mahagon ta olo no do Isreal sopa Baasha did to akahatok yaudki no when it tevada dinner no did to akahara you no do pay do pocketed malo bin no Haras agree with King Asa and sent the commander of his force against the town of Israel. He conquer line Dan, Eber, Bel, Mahaka, and all Kinirath, in addition to Nefertali. Pane Pagdeta Mala aware Levera Siko Penny Nefertali Kora Penny no. Penny Pacropatupata Leta Thirapai Leta Mata Thirapani no so be hada no Dukana Sopa Asa Agalu do Mawe no do malo patumu aku pala au do o thoda Isreal agi the pa do clo pagden mala clockwe no clockwe you do da do abila bi tamaka do kinereta do binya do no pagdama ko natali do binya no do ko natali siko pa we peni kele kesimo no our clock we kele kesilo no pay do pagden mala when no Baasha heard this he started building Rama and withdraw to pagden mala Traza no pane pagden mala no our party we atalota cleated by color penny with the dot to saw Baasha na huwe do tama atale atir ramani ugatowe do uwela tirasa apulo no we ugatowe na no uwe na la tirasa apu no penny do pathinya sikole tamata the king Asa is no pagitena male issued an order to all Juda no one was not except pagitena male is no exempt and they carry away from Ramah the stones and timber. Now Baasha has been using there. With them King Asa built us, Gibeah and Benjamin and also Mizpah. Now Pagteta Mala Tamatala Penisiko. No Penisopa Asa no do kuto Tala Juda Dobinya no Pagitana mata do play ba norga ba no awet do play ba norga do pasudok we Rama aler pa do no athi data pala so Baasha mawela olo do sopa Asa no tiki babiami do Mizpah olo babiami do Mizpah omano awani awet tiki we Rama no Pay as for all the other events of Asa reigns, all the achievements, all the did, all he did, and the city he built, when he built, are they not written in the book of annual of the king of Judah? In this old age, hard event, however, his feet became penny pagdema disease penny do away kevada munitimi do ta ulote bakaro so Asa do asu akamo kele do kayeta la amawe do ku we ula atiwe ni kweta la Juda sapa le kwenota pu temiba Baasha ta la atapa agato ni akhosa we lo atapa agato ni akhosa tewe Pay your bagale qualu, Casunya Tatoni, Tewe delay, away in mid dollar, penny or Bathinia will Tamata did apollo. Then Asa rest with his father and was buried with them in the city of his father David, and Jehoshaphat his sons set him as king. When a Jehoshaphat, a Wakiro is so pala and lost sicolo. No penny pe thinya sicolo tamata, penny so Asa miwe, do apart do paculo qui ola apa, not a pala, a pass or dawe a wibu, do pukwa so Jehoshaphat kero, no so pala a lockino, a penny, Corana Jehoshaphat kero so pala lockimo, Baasha na kiro penny Nara king of Isreal Pagate mala pakaledi kasunya siko Jehoshaphat atau mulu pethinya Jehoshaphat atau mulu pethinya Baasha na kiro penny Jehoshaphat tau muni jete o wili pa pau siko wili leta na kura rapa kro patu pata siko le petau pa tu le kwa le YouTube punya awe pagite mala party o wili Jehoshaphat agi klo awe ne tu siko le Jehoshaphat agi ne tu tinya siko le target te pai siko lo pay ne pa me ero lady kasunya ro pe ero lady siko lo do pagite mala atawi de mala kasunya agi ne pero hete gile lokia do bagate mala pa odi we amala takubu hutara pagledi kasunya de se pho tamata te pha le patamupu pakamu do pakama do pakale do pako pakso le patamupu sikolo no paine pakalela nara king of Israel no paine bagate mala nara ni awakera sopa no Israel sopa no paine patinya sikolo paine no paine pakale kwa no Nadab son of Jeroboam became king of Israel in the second years of Asa king of Judah, and he reigns over his rear Israel 2 years. No, Nadab ni awak pura pa Israel pun ni kini lo, no kini lo awak pura no 2 years lo no. Awak ni Jeroboam no begitu mala no. Awak ni kira Jeroboam apukwa no pane patinya siko no pane pagle kwala agi close sepo pane no lo Juda sopa asa ani pwetho kisi tani ne so pagdema so yaraba apukwa so nada ke to sopa le Isreal apokhu do ke sopa le Isreal apokhu kini tani lo no awakera kini tani mo no awani But the nyala tawani sikolo no 2 years no. He did evils in eyes of the Lord, walking in the way of his father and in his sin, which he has cursed no. He has caused Israel to commit. Awani patinya sikolo awe maram ni dota ma athala yua amenya no pagida mata ole do mata ole yua amenya no leta le no apa aklepu do le atadeba pula aduma Isreal le tadeba lo wani awaduma Isreal le tadeba lo no patinya sikolo tapti phani awe mara no paini no Baasha son of no here no of the house of no Isreal no plotted against him and he struck him down in Gibeon no when it is a no Palestine town while Nadab and all Israel were besieged it no when it patinya sikola tamata do pene so Isaka apahipu so akia apukwa so abasa ku no abasa ku tota kuro toda or do so abasa no clock we all kiba no pane kiba su apula abakado pa pilisatapo no pa pilisatapo agidi I do so nada do Isreal ke le gwoka kibesu no pane do pa te pane agwoka kibesu ne lo no pane tevela sikole pane Baasha no King Nadab in the 3rd years of Asa king of Judah and set him as king. Appointed up again, mother, do Judah sopa Asa ni pueto, not thenitini, sobasa Matthew, do kero so pala alone, no, awani awakero so pala alone, no. Penepathinya sikola, no, panapasico. As soon as they begin to range, he killed Jeroboam's whole family. He did not leave Jeroboam anyone that's not breathing, but destroyed them all. Not according to the war, not the war of the giving. Through his event, Ahiyah the Silomni. Apane pagti mala Silomni. No, when a patinya sikola tamata, not to a case of pado, pene. A case of paratamata, a clock with soy yaraba, a pahipukala, mahawaki or tapaloteba, poa athala, so yaraba, no, so yaraba, agon norgaba. These are lula akatu, well a kepoa, no, poa silopo. So akia asupuni lo tala so akia ne kera widiga mano widiga le widiga katuda asuni lo mano aweta mata dini lo no patinya sikolo tate pai mata sikolo pain because of the sin Jeroboam has committed and has cursed Israel to commit, and because he provoked the Lord, the God of Israel, to anger. Later, look at the Sikolo. Not a mata did pilot, targeted by Sikolo. Penny, Pethinia Sikolo, Tamata did pine, Mata Siko, Doso Rabba, no, a tadeba, Pagidama, a pata de my logilo, a poo mono, a pata de ba logilo, a pota de ba logilo, a lita de ba logilo, a lota de barino, logilo, a la, Pagideti ordinate to Thisicolo. No penny, Miss or Rabba, a tadeba door. Le aduma Isreal le tadeba le atatuge le atuge jwa Isreal akasa ta toni akhulo wetuge ro Isreal sopa no tata tho akhulo no Mugo papa ni pagdan ma o kito no we reading about the Bible is the two people, okay? So one people is Rehoboam, second people is Jeroboam. This means that these two people are different, okay? The God divided Israel people in the Israel kingdom. Divided, given one tribe to the David family. No, let us look at the Pathinyala. Pata muge, le pata kutage, I want it all. Pay neighbor, let us sit in it. No, pay Lord Tevra ask for the other events of Nara's reigns and all he did. They are not written in the book of Amiel of the king of Israel. There was war between Asa and Baasha, king of Israel, throughout their reign. No, Penny Pathinya Sikola. A wedding about keep on it, do the yellow, the top of the boy you call it the Tamu Punilo, no? Penny, Bethinia Sicola, do Taolote, Bacaro, no Penilo, Bacaro, Sonadado, no Kayetala, a Mawakilla, Quetala, Isreal, Sopa, a liquid, not a putamiba, no? Talam Martha talk aside you are a pretend mother, aware, uwe, lewe, mawe, thisicolo, do tadu to uwe, no? So asado, Isreal, sopa, no? Pagitana basa to suda olo no I want it to suda olo takero wala siko panilo no paine pakle kwa siko kasunyala basa kino Israel paine basa ni kero awake sopale Israel pu no tera no paine in the third years of Asa king of Judah no Baasha son of Ahijah no became king of all Israel in the Traza and the he ranges 24 years when he began a Basani a Wakera Israel a curl a pokum a wepura began a wepura for Israel kissy and no when it 24 kissy or luini or wepura penny but Thinya Sikolo Tamata the panelon. Penny pekele kwa leta mata so you le Juda so pa asa ni puedo 30 tenini so akia apukwa so Baasha ketho so pale Isreal kela apokula dirasa no dirasa apu kisi luini no what penny no dota mat penny no pekete mala no he did evil in the eye of the Lord and walking in the way of Jeroboam and in his sin, which he has cursed Israel to commit. Pagitena mala awane. Awen mora pa Israel mata deba no panina pagitena mala. Then not the word of the Lord come to Jehu son of Korala Hanani against Baasha when against Baasha. But the Yasikola Tamata la Taki the Pine, Hepele, Kipele, Upele, but the Yasikolo, no? Painted Tevra do Mata Ulajuamenya, do leta so no Yaba, no so Yaraba, a clay dollar, a Tadeba Pula, a Duma Isreal, a Tadeba, no? Penny Bagdeta Mala, no? But then Yasikolo Tati the Paisicolo, no? Paydo, but Lequala Casunyani Teba Wedile, no? Do you agree Lobala so Hana ni Apukwa saw Yehu no Toda Sobasa do Sobasa no do Siweda no we Toda Sobasa no Panero Pagitana Mala no I lifted you up from the dust and made you leader of my people Israel. But you walk in the way of Jeroboam and curse my people Israel to sin and to provoke me to anger by their sin. Penny not anger by their sin. No, penny not terror sick or luminity me le penny not terror me. Yapatona la no haku akamu no penny yapatona la hakumu apu. No pana la ta akula yapagomu Isreal pako do nele tala so no so yaraba aklepu do dema yapagomu Isreal la tadeba dito nakatu yata to la atadeba akudo no awani petinya la tadeba akudo no tevda dinamo no do paine pakete mala ta mata ti phai ni mata dile no do so I am about to consume Baasha and his house and I will make your house like that of Jeroboam son of no Nebat awani pakete mala awe kama weda la pakete ma ko kwa ya ka suto kwe so Baasha apukwa no Apo ali do apahi po apo ali do yakapa nehi no nehi di so naba pukwa so yaraba ahi atune lo phane jwa khu thodo do wada la pwa la akamata la agwo no la ka pa wada la paitena ma la apwa go mu agwo no ka sa yo na khu thoda akasa klo ko pu te pha la akama we agwo ni lo no le ta khu ta lo phane pe Pegale quada let sepu let a mata the pala. No you no dogs will eat those belonging to Baasha who die in the city, and the birds of the air will feed on those who died in that country, no. Pagitera mala paine tevada lamuniti mile do pabaka do so Baasha. Le athiwa le webuni trick ogwo do pwa bakha do ola athiwa le pala klani to liu le tapa poko ogwo lo to liu le tapa pone ko ogwo lo le tan ko ra pakro patu pata le betamu pulo. As for the other events of Baasha range what he did and he achieving no achievements they are not written in the book of any of the king of Israel. No, awani petinya la takwe pasikolo pa isa ko lepusikolo. No, paine tevra la ta ulote bakaro so Baasha do tala amawe do asuko moni kwe tale Isreal ali. No, Isreal so pa ali kwe no ta puteme ba takwe no pa wera. Le Isreal ali kwe no ta pu thobo de boyu ko le pa Isreal po so pa daga atapita mani lo no. Peido pakilete mala no hune teba body le Baasha rests with his father and was buried in no Traza no and Elah his son succeeded him as king. Awani do pakitana mala no Baasha ne athiwe la do Elah ne awe kero wada apukwa ne kero wada sopa ne lo pakiletio le papato mu pu agluta atasita katu athu dini no pakitio dini. No pain it la so Baasha miwe do apara kulo kuola dirasabu apokwa so Elah kes to so pala apa alone lo no kera so pala apa alone no Elah ne kera so pala apa alone lo tera no do pay do pakitinya lo. Moreover the word of the Lord came through the prophets Jehu son of Hanani to Baasha and his house because of all the evil he did then in the eye of the Lord, provoking him to anger by the thing he did, and becoming like the house of Jeroboam, and also because he destroyed it. Funny no, waiting malo awahe mahago kuwe tati the funny sikolo no, pagete malata matala. Tati pa yi magdola pagete timano magdola so Hanani apokwa we yehu asupune no jwa aglu loto pweto so abasa do thoda apwahi pula kayeta ela amawala jwa menyala atuge ta tho le atama tamala asu le alog no aloga so yaraba apwahi po athone aku do tala ama no tala ama thi o akulo no awane pekena mala dollar amathio or akulo no awe mathio no leta no kuda no pekete mala tati the pai sikolo no pay do pekete mala Elah's king of Isreal no Elah ni kevra so paisa po sopa ya pekele kwala Elah kero paisa po sopa no pekena ma Jeroboam no Jeroboam ne pekete ma phane no awe no apukwa mata do apa mata daga ba no leta no kuda pakro no Bethia sikolo tati the pai sikolo no in the 26 years of Asa king of Juda no Elah son of Baasha became king of Israel and he reigned in Traza 2 years no when they put mala pay no pagitena mala Baasha no Baasha apukwa do pagitena mala Asa apukwa pagitena ma Elah no pagitena ma Baasha apukwa Elah no pay Asa kevra sopa no 26 years secretary mono atera aweta mata la Baasha ne apukwa ne kevra sopa ne lo no pay no pagitena mala awe pura la trasa no awe kini no pagitena ma aweni Pura trasane kini mono. Pay ne la Juda sopa asa ani puedo kisi huni tinini so Baasha apukwa so Elah ke sopa le Isreal apoko le tirasa apulo no apu no pagida makini no le tirasa apu kini. Pane betinya la no Zimri one of his officer who has commanded of half his chariots no plotters against him. Awane kevra no stalo ziri ne awe kevra la paragala kevra la pakupana akla pe awe kevra command no awane awe kevra la officer ne ke ku kena pake ku kena do akipwa no ali ka kibu tu aku so siri no ku thoda ola o pe abo no o mu atala apa kwa no ahi la tirasa so asa ahipu no la tirasa apa munilo la tirasa apa mu no no phane no pagitete malata mata we ni mata dile no away ni pakasilo tamnu tmile no phane no Zimri come and strike him down and killed him in the 27 years of Asa king of Judah them. Now he accept him as king. Now when he make that la, now we get us sopa sikolo, no. Pero petinya sikolo tamata ni do Judah sopa Asa ani puedo kisi nuini tenini so siri leno do clock we order Matthew or do get us sopa le alolo, no when he got a siri, no. Get us sopa le lolo as soon as he began to reign and was now seated on the throne, he killed off Baasha's whole family. He did not spare a single man, whether related or friends. Now, when it did atako migi, batubakara migi, no, a hipu kopo migi, no, putting a single male, no, putting a pokwa, color when my thief no. When he petinya sikolo ta mathani ta way ni sikolo do to a case sopa to sopa no do a case sopa do a sinol a lopasu nido Tama tala amati so basa apahi pukela no abu timigi ati the kumigi no pagdeta mala pay no ati the kumigi no tapalote ba pabaka do or le ame papa kwa norgaba no le ame papa kwa norgaba no papa kwa de ba kelekasine awe yawe kelekasila no mathigu kelekasilo no pain is so no Now Zimri destroyed the whole family of Baasha in accordance with the word of the Lord. The Lord spoke against Baasha through the prophets, Jehu. When he picked up Mala, we Jehu Katuda Athulo, when he picked up Mala, Jehu, prophet Jehu. But thing is, Sikolata Mata, the pine. Mata dile ne petinya sikolo paine so siri mahawakwe so basa pahipu no kele do di yagi thala akatu thoda so basa la we yihu asupu atune lo we yihu supu no leda no ko ro katu we ne lo no to see that because of all the sin Baasha and his son Elah had committed and has cursed Israel to commit so they not that they provoked the Lord the God of Israel to anger by their worthless idol no pane pagita worthless idol sira mitala ta pagita mata ko ta phol ablut uma pagita te ma de no misoba pane misoba sa phukwa so Elah no atade ba kele le ama matade ba do duma Isreal le tade ba le atuge jwa Isreal agasa athatho le ata kalo ni no agini no pagdema no patinya sikolo tade phai sikolo no as for the other events of Elah's reigns and all he died are they not written in the book of the annual of the king of Israel. Patinya pane takwe ta sikolo paisa po ali sikoni lo no. Leta no kuda ro pakra patupata le pata mupu pakra patupata le paleta kita ne lo do ta ulot no pane ta ulot te bakha do so Elah do kayeta le amawe keleni kweta le Israel asopa ali kweno tapu temeba no awani mitala takweno pala sopa no pani do le taniba tani sopa ali kweno tapu Israel sopa ali kweno tapu no pani kora le awani first king no patinya sikolo pani pekele kwa le Zimri king of Isreal pani the Zimri ne me kewara le sopa Israel sopa sikolo no pani pekiti patiro tinya la takwe ta sikolo no. But in the 27 years of Asa king of Judah, no Zimri reigned in Tyre 7 days. No, pene awe perala Tyre pune nuini no nuito 7 days. The army was not encamped near no Gibeon and Palestine town. No, pene petinya sikolata mata no. Le Juda sopa asani pueto kisi nuini ni so siri ke sopa le tira sapu nui tolo do pago mu tu de thoda kibeto le abaka do papele sata pu ni lo no pani do patinya le one the Israelites in the camp hear that Zimri has plotted against the king and murdered him. They proclaimed Omri, the commander of the army king over Israel the very day, they are in the camp, Panira Pathiya Sikola, Tamatha, Tilfa Sikola. Do Pagamula to Denny, Nahu Pasila, so Siri Kutota, do Matisiko Sopanilo, do Israel. La que le pa thumu aku so rori le no so pa le Israel apoku le patu de alopu le mutini khwane lo no awani pakita malo no paini Omri ne Isreal tirha patha wera sopa no mele Zimri ne awa ne kuroda alo mati sopa wili no no bani no to see nui teba problem ni di mele them no oh no Muris and all the Israelites with him no withdraw from the no Gibeon and lame since to no Tisra no bani pepinya la sikona no bani so Ori letola no kibesu do no pagden ma Israel kela odo do goka no birasa lo no birasa ne wati goka pani mo no do pay do pagle kwa lo no gi de si khoni no tevada lo minute mile then Zimri saw no Zimri saw that the cities were taken he went into the no citadel of the royal place and set the palace on fire around him so he died no awani bagde mala Zimri ne anokasara we matilo asama no awe mala wara mu udo matilo ta dot to so siri tiba well pamani we do tama sala no alenu well sopa hi anupu do sutokwe sopa hi le apoko le mu udo tiwe lo no awe tiwe we sutokwe sopa hi no we tiwe panimo no panene because of no the sin of he has committed doing evil the eye of the Lord and walking in the way of Jeroboam and in the sin he has committed and no Pagama has cursed Israel to commit Pagama awate tegara wele matilota nilo no pathina sikolo tati pani sikolo no pene me ata de bale ama wele amata ene yua amele aleta le sora no soyara ba aklepu do le ata de ba apu le ama wele aduma Israel le ta de ba akulo no awati wera penilo no as for the other event of no Zimri no reigns and the rebellion he carried out they not written in the book of the annual of the king of Israel I want to takwe pasikolo pa isapo elipusikolo no aweli pek sukumota le tati pai no but ero le totolo ba no pek patigwi peilo le tan khuta ro pek sukumota le tagita kluti pai no ta ulote bakaro so siri ro ataku total ele akuto weni kwe thale Israela asapa alikwe no ta aputeme ba no le tan khuta ro dopo le ta khale mo pekra sukumo no mo pekra patu pata le batamu pu no mo pelera kleto lo jwa pu ne ki no mo ka sa ya su ki pakwada pu do mo sa ya no kelera ro tu do ke sinya tu ta me ta to lo tu ta mu pu ne ki no mo ka sa ya ko ro tu ne ki no I want to thank you, my friend and my brother. Today, I want to start in the Zimri King of Israel. Okay, I will come back later to the afternoon. Thank you so much. We will see you next time. God bless you all. Bye-bye, my friend, my brother, my sister.